Hello friends, welcome you to yours only gardening channel Print with the Green with another gardening videos. Today we'll tell you the different methods of propagation of Haworthias. Haworthias are a heat tolerant succulent and can be grown easily at high temperatures also. Amongst the different methods of propagation that we are going to talk about, the first and the most common one is through offset. Most of the Haworthia plants can be propagated from offset, or better known as pop. Though some Haworthias may be faster in giving out the pups and some slower, but almost all Haworthias will give out the offset. To propagate Haworthias from offset, all you need to do is carefully remove the offset from the mother plant, either making a twist with a hand or by cutting it with a knife. Before potting it, let it dry for about a week in indirect light. Another method of propagation of Haworthias is through seeds. Propagation of Haworthia from seed is very tedious work, but it is a faster process where you can get hundreds of seeds from a single plant. To make seeds, you must have two genetically different plants which is blooming at the same time. Otherwise, you won't be able to pollinate it. There are many methods of pollinating Haworthias, but I do generally prefer using a brush to transfer the pollen from one flower to another flower of another plant. If the pollination is successful, a green capsule like fruit will develop, and after few weeks fruits will ripen. Breaking the fruit from the tip is the sign of maturity of the fruit, after which you can harvest and store the seeds after cleaning it. Seeds can be best sown after 1.5 months up to a year, after which it will become less viable. Propagation of Haworthias from leaves are another method of propagation of Haworthia plant. It is a bit difficult to propagate from leaves. To propagate from leaves, you need to rip off healthy leaves without breaking it. Next, you need to dry it in a shady place for a few days. Next, lay it upon a coarse substrate and wait till root starts developing. It may take months or a couple of months to start developing the roots. After developing roots, you can pot it carefully. Extreme care is to be taken in watering the leaves after potting it as well, as more water makes it rot and less water makes it dry. To throw out the pups from the leaves, it takes nearly 4 complete months. All you need to do is to take care of leaves without making it rot or without drying it until it gives out the babies. Another method of propagation which is not common to all Haworthias are from its flower stem. As I told you, not all Haworthias can be propagated by this method. Only some hardleaf varieties such as Haworthiopsis genus generally develops offset from the flower stem. As soon as you see developing it, you need to remove the flower stem which will help the offset to develop fast. When it gets matured, it needs to be removed, after which it needs to be left several days to dry before potting it. So friends, these are the 4 different methods of propagation of Haworthias which I generally adopt. You can also follow any of these method or other method to propagate your plants. And if you like my videos, please do subscribe my channel for more gardening updates.